Welcome family, this is the Velvet Locks with another cooking it up in the kitchen video. Now today I am going to be making some jerk chicken wings, okay? I'm in the mood for it, and yes, it's going down tonight. So I got my chicken wings already washed and ready to season. And now I want to just talk to you about a few of the ingredients that I'll be using. I'm going to be using my seasoned salt. I'm also going to be using garlic powder, onion powder. I'll also be using some black pepper, and I will also be using my jerk sauce seasonings. Now it's just going to be a concoction of it. I'll be using my Walker's Wood Jamaican jerk seasoning. I like the hot and spicy one, and there's not enough of that in there, so I will be also using some Jamaican choice jerk seasoning. It's hot, the hot flavor, but you can get the mild flavor. It doesn't necessarily have to be hot. Then I'm also going to be doing some jerk marinade, okay, and this is to broil it in the oven. Along with that, I'll be making that with my yellow rice, but instead of just plain yellow rice, I'll be chopping up some onions. And to flavor it, since this has a lot of sodium in there, okay, I'll be using some black beans. So it's not going to actually be yellow rice, it's going to be seasoned black beans, but I like the flavoring of this, so that can help flavor the beans. Okay, so let's start seasoning up this wonderful chicken right now. This is seasoning to taste, so there is no measurements on this video. We're just going to be seasoning this chicken to taste. Okay, so I'll start off with my garlic. Okay. So that's my garlic powder. I'll be using my onion powder. I'll be also using some seasoned salt. Okay, my black pepper. And I will be using my Walker's Wood seasoning. And then I'm going to continue with my Jamaican choice spicy seasoning. Okay, so now we're going to mix this up. Okay, I'm just going to put a little bit more of my jerk seasoning on there. And I'm also going to use some of this Jamaican style jerk marinade by Grace. Alright, y'all, so I am finished, and here is the final results of my jerk wings. Okay, really, really, really good. Oh, wow. Alright, so these are my jerk chicken wings. I decided not to do a little barbecue flavor, just to keep it spicy and hot. And this is how my rice came out. I did yellow rice, and I chopped up some onions in there and threw some 2 cans of black beans or black peas. Yeah, black beans. So I love me some black beans. So you guys, that's it. That's it for another Cooking It Up in the Kitchen. So if you want to find out how to make other wonderful Caribbean meals or just regular meals, even healthy meals. I mean, this right here, you can just make this with some veggies on the side, some steamed veggies, and you got a really nice meal. Alright, so it doesn't necessarily have to be with rice. It could be with just steamed vegetables, and you got a wonderful healthy meal. Alright, so thank you for this edition of Cooking It Up in the Kitchen with Velvet Locks, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.